Hello, in this video I'm going to give you 3 tips that will ensure you don't have a Wren kitchen disaster. Coming up next. So if you look online, you'll see that some people have a very bad experience with Wren. I have a Wren kitchen, I'm extremely happy with it, but there are 3 things I did which I think made the difference. And there's a little bonus tip at the end as well.
So before we start, I just wanted to mention there is a link in the description that gives you £200 off your Wren kitchen if you do decide to go with them. And it also helps out the channel, so please feel free to use that link, and let's get on with the tips.
So tip number 1, ask for their best designer in the store. There will be a superstar or a number of superstars there, and if you ask for them, you're more likely to get them, and it makes all the difference. Our designer was brilliant. He made us think about the space in different ways. He also told us we could have things that other kitchen designers from other companies had said we couldn't, and he was right. Tip number 2, use Wren's own fitting service. It may be slightly more expensive, but it's worth it for 2 reasons. The first is if panels are delivered damaged or appliances are damaged, there is no question it is a Wren problem, not your problem. If you have your own fitters, there's always that question as to whether the fitters damaged the appliance or the panels, or they were damaged before they arrived at the property. It completely sidesteps that issue, which I'm telling you is a massive boon, and it really takes a lot of stress away. The other reason for using their fitting service I will tell you about in my bonus tip at the end of the video. Tip number 3, ask for one of their best fitting teams. Every Wren branch will have access to a number of teams, and the designers will know who are the good teams. Officially, they can't tell you who to go with, but unofficially they will if it makes a difference between a sale or not. And I have to say, we had a very, very good fitting team here, and it made all the difference. And my bonus tip is use Wren's interest-free credit. We managed to get 7 years interest-free. Normally you can get at least 5, and it not only spreads the cost, but you don't have to start paying for it until you signed off your kitchen. So they began installing our kitchen in October 2020, but we didn't sign it off until February 2021 because of various issues with appliances not being right and panels being damaged. The good thing is paying on finance meant we didn't actually have to start paying for that kitchen until it was signed off. So that's it. I hope you found that useful. If you are going to go with a Wren kitchen, please do click the link in the description, because I have a deal where you get £200 off the kitchen, and it also helps out the channel. If you've enjoyed this, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.